Doge is testing a crucial resistance level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We just hit over 2,500 Telegram users. If you want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my analysis videos, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 on trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see from yesterday's video, we ended up breaking above a key resistance level here at 0.20065. And of course, we ended up seeing a beautiful wick into our first take profit at 0.205. And a ton of you guys on Telegram made a great amount of money, so congrats for those of you that have joined. But now looking at Doge, we have to be very careful, and the reason for that is I mentioned this to you guys is what we don't want to see from a bullish outcome is a break below the exponential moving averages or even a rejection at this resistance. We needed the bulls to actually break above this key resistance level, use this as support, and then for the next stronger leg opportunity. And of course, I explained that to you guys in the daily structure. But before we look into the daily, I want to quickly look at the 4-hour interval, because as of right now, you can see that we are actually rejecting off our exponential moving averages and using them as resistance. The bulls need to try to overcome these EMAs once again, or at least try to get back above 0.193 later into Asia hours. And you can see here, even on the daily structure, the fact that we've seen such a clean rejection and right back in between the exponential moving averages, it is now officially a no trade zone once again. But of course, it does not mean that it's over for Doge just yet, because in between the exponential moving averages usually is just a consolidation zone. So like I mentioned to you guys in Telegram, I will mention it again. What we're looking for as of right now on Doge is a key wick break of 0.2066. The wick high ends up breaking on the 4-hour interval. We have a very nice long confirmation, looking for that continuation on that wick break into the highs of 0.21. A lot of you guys have asked me what happens after 0.21 in terms of the major breakout for Doge, and you can see from previous price analysis, this is actually something we want to pay attention to from a momentum setup. What I mean by this is you can already see that we've seen multiple wick opportunities into 25 cents. If Doge can somehow end up breaking above the 0.21, this would now become the 5th test opportunity. And for those of you that have been watching my content for a very long time, you guys already know that on the 5th multiple retest opportunity, we end up seeing a much larger squeeze. That's exactly what we're waiting for from a bullish outcome for Doge, so keep a very close eye on the wick high break. I will, of course, keep you guys posted over in Telegram, but just pay attention to the daily exponential moving averages and wait until we overcome them. Don't try to jump ahead into the trade, because, again, the key is to break above the EMAs 9 and 20 on the daily for us to have a swing long position, because you can see every time Doge ended up breaking above the EMAs, we had some very nice rally opportunities, but trading below them is what causes those rejections and those fake outs, which is what we don't want to see from a bullish overall move. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in 35,000 trade, make sure to like the video.